boyfriend. One was the name of a liar, another was the name of a banker, and the other was a son of a bam bam. Lulu gone away. Who is gonna bam bam? When Lulu gone away. Get your hand on a dog. Put them in the bed. Put them in the bed. You see they could bam bam Lulu. Lulu gone away. Who is gonna bam bam? When Lulu gone away. Lulu had 3 boyfriends. One was the name of a liar, other was the name of a banker, and the other was a son of a bam bam. Lulu gone away. Who is gonna bam bam? Lulu gone away. Ask me no question, me no tell no lie. If you do not like it, you can be smile. Bam bam Lulu gone away.
Yeah, man.
Who is gonna bam bam? When Lulu gone away. Me no question, me no tell no lie. You do not like
Oh, yeah, bamboo.
Yeah, man, that's a cool the garden of righteousness.
You have a goat.
That's not my people over there. I don't own animal, you know.
Okay.
Those personal animal I don't own. You know what I'm saying? All animals that like why I own people. I own everything. So I don't special out, you know. Yeah. It's a gooseberry tree.
Kneesberry.
Yeah. There's 2 trees.
Kneesberry. Lovely.
Yeah, man. When I'm ready to be around that tree, I'm gonna play
Full.
fly. There's a mango tree. Mango. Aki.
Ah. Where's the ocean view?
You mean like the sea?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, ocean view black right now. Well, I have a out there when you go to the end, we can see your view out the passing horse and go to.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely. Peaceful.
Good.
Cool and easy.
What's up? Yeah, man. Good boy? Right. You know, man. Good boy. Where the other one them there? Both of them can come back. Where they? Where the other dog one? Call them if you don't want to go. You want to get used to the man first, okay? If you don't want to go, call them, man.
Strong.
I heard about ginger. This is ginger. And you know this already, so I should tell you about this. You know about this guy.
Ginger.
Yeah, this is ginger. Well, we call it Synchro Bible,
Yes.
and some people call it aloe.
Aloe, yes.
Aloe, yeah. And this is a mint tree. We have a pepper tree here, and we have a mint tree here too. So when I come from work at night and things like that, I just break piece and dry it and just drink it.
Yes.
Yeah. That's why the mint tree, and it supports a lot of people, not only me, it supports a lot of people, you know. Yeah. Right. I think to share is good. Yeah. Share is good, man. Ackee tree, breadfruit, plum, mango, coconut, bananas, tangerine is there, guinea is there, and the next to the breadfruit tree growing up inside it. And this is custard apple. This one is custard apple.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, well, we like how in the hills, so we have to get tank to capture water, you know. And I have one on the house top around the other side, a tank. So the water truck would come and so that water would run through inside, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because we cannot build that comfort, you know. And I know we know the comfort, but we have to build certain comfort to when like if you have a visit, like your kids them, grandkids and so come around, they're supposed to have a comfortable stay at grandpa's yard. So that foundation set then not even with me alone, but they help my kids very good, who can help. You couldn't look on everyone trying to help because not everyone can help at certain times.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Majestic. How old is the music equipment?
You mean, you know, I don't have a, I don't know.
You have them for a very long time.
Yeah, I have my music long time. That's my music, you know, that's my song. And the box in this.
Oh, let's see the boxes.
We most play my song on Sundays, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I sing with music.
Sound system.
Yeah.
Sundays you string them up.
I sing up all the time, but I just put on, if I want to play it, no, I just go and put on my CD player and it's gone.
Okay.
It's there, it's stringing right through. I don't want to put it down.
And your friends them come over.
Well, not some, no. I don't have friends. That's what I'm saying. Friends is like, you know, we are nothing. Brothers and sisters.
Okay.
Friends, neighbors. I don't like to say friends and neighbors, you know. Yeah, answer to things, but not me. I don't put away myself too far. Or no one far away from me. Yeah, always be close.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
Nice. Lovely.
Brothers and sisters.
Yes, beautiful. Lovely breadfruit tree you have there.
Yeah, man.
How many dogs do you have?
A tree dog is here now. None is mine. None is mine and all is mine. Like, you know, sometimes, you know, I don't think no one can win nothing.
Laying eggs?
4 layer. But no laying there now. No laying at the house now. No 4 laying at the house, but
Mm-hmm. This reminds me of St. Mary when I used to grow up in St. Mary. Same energy, same, you know, dirt, same vibe. You have a willow tree. I see you have a willow tree.
My son planted there.
Yes? How old is your son?
So they go to die 30 now, 29, 30,
And where is he?
Toronto.
Okay. Everybody love that.
Yeah.
How often they come see you? Come back.
But they don't come now. But the girl is coming and come married, I was here, I don't remember. The daughter is coming and come married, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But you see certain things me not to keep, you know, things what I am not to store, I don't want to store it, to rewind it at times, you know. That's I could answer that question, you know, what time. Yeah, those things that I don't want to store those things too much. Yeah, things that I don't store. I know what to store.
You let it go.
Let it go.
Keep moving.
Keep moving.
Keep loving.
Yeah.
Giving, sharing, blessing. That way your heart light. Always happy every day.
I'll be happy every day. After all.
Yes. Yeah, man. You're blessed. You're blessed. And you have blessings for the world. Yeah? The calm energy, you know?
What do you think the world would want from me? After them find, say, you know, that comfort, what I have to pour. What do you think they would want from me?
The sun don't ask what the plant wants, it just shine. So basically you go and shine and then go and grow. So them don't even know what's going to happen to them. It just going to happen. So when them in your presence, them are going to just grow and bloom and blossom. So the essence is they can't even question or
so
ask.
how you find me as a poor man who have no money?
Yes.
What grew up just like this?
Yeah.
Simple and just face things and been there. How you find me out in your
Money is of man. Simplicity of the
money is of man?
Money is of man.
Money is of man?
Yes.
I don't understand that.
Money, the world out there, a man make it. Machine money.
Yeah.
So you live in the real life.
Yeah.
You're living with nature. This is the true wealth.
If you find a man who living with nature
Yeah.
and the truth, what he has to offer to the world and what the world have to offer to him?
It's like a shepherd and a sheep. They need each other. You go and heal what's necessary.
How can I and don't have those power to do it?
You healing right now.
That means that you see I'm a healer?
Yes.
But that is speech, you don't see my action.
Well, your energy, your sound, your vibration, your peace and tranquility emanates when you spiritually send your message. It's sent. Now you send it virtually, you'll be sent.
Sir, how many persons in Jamaica deliver these things to you?
Not in Jamaica.
I mean, I'm the first surveyor in Jamaica.
No.
That's what I'm asking you. How many send what I send?
Not at your frequency. Everyone at a different frequency.
A different, but how you see the difference onto mine?
You don't kill. You don't kill. You don't.
So what will you pick up from they kill?
Yes. They eat flesh.
So how that message come to me? How it come to me that other person they don't have it like me? Are we supposed to be equal?
No. Everyone is equal, but experience is what makes us different. Your experience is mightily different.
Experience by growing up?
From not bringing in manly things into your essence. You didn't bring things of man into your life. You bring things of nature into your life.
So you bring things of man in your life?
I've had in my past, yes.
What about in the future?
Trying to reduce based on
so
the environment.
It's still there then?
It's there.
Oh. So
you know you're different because you have protected what the galaxy have given you from birth.
What is the galaxy?
The
I
energy.
I heard the energy.
The energy of all things. Everywhere.
But but that's what I'm saying. Why you pick up this weight on yourself to do this? For it if it's not a money thing, it's supposed to be helping life.
If many of the children out there are off balance and don't get my energy and your energy, they will continue to be off balance because of man's world. We, the ones who carry a vibration of peace and tranquility, must extend ourselves to those who will need the energy. So that's what we're doing. We're extending our love. That's it.
So you're a transporter.
I would say just a mailman, a messenger. I can send it. Yes, a transporter. Yes.
That's the same thing.
Yes.
Yeah, the messenger.
Yes.
Yeah, that's great.
So I capture energy and I send it out.
But everything you pick up, you send?
No.
So you know you're not sending it? When you pick it up, well, you know you're not sending it?
I test it against my frequency. My frequency is of love. So if it matches the frequency and it makes someone smile and give them joy, and they say, I love it, I love you. They say, I love, and I give love, and then we meet. And once we meet and greet, the galaxy work. So when they see what I do, they say, Randy, I love it. It makes me happy. And I say, I'm doing the right thing. And they come around virtually.
So you don't have it, you is your own boss then? You is your own boss. You know, as they say, you have somebody working with.
No. Work with the galaxy. We work with the spirit. The spirit tell you to do something, you do it. You don't ask the outcome. The spirit give you money, provide everything. If you just do what the spirit tell you to do, you listen. You get them. Go to Jobless. Get his energy. Broadcast it to the world. The world is puzzled. They're in their office building in pain. They don't have this.
Then suppose they come to hunt that person, what they didn't want something like that. Some people don't want it. So you have some people who feel in pain will want it.
Okay.
But the other person who not feeling no pain, they don't want that unity, that love. And they see that. They're gonna go and hunt that person who put out that report. And their picture. You don't think that?
So here's the thing. One thing about the light, it can never stop shining nor destroyed. And it's protected. So even the darkness come and see the light and have to stand back.
So
there's no fear.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
what do you get from your growing up until now? The place you put yourself is very powerful. You're not an easy person living on earth. It's very powerful. And there's people like you are me, and I can say, well, I confident that I have somebody out there doing some work too, like what I'm here doing it.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you're doing the thing and you're not doing it to get a benefit of vanity, you're doing it to help who don't know how to help themselves. I know your peer will be more than what money in the world. What I go through is not for the person who really to help themselves, who cannot help themselves.
Mm-hmm.
Till we reach to the person who can help themselves, because they still need more help.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
But you have to go way down in the dungeon. You have to go down in the dungeon and come up. It don't make sense I go and go up and look for my brother them down. So why are we going up together? If it's up, is it? And up to be, this is life.